Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the lock on your trolley bag and confirming its type. Most are 3-digit combination locks integrated into the zipper or frame. Once found, inspect the digits to see if it's still set to the factory code, commonly 0-0-0. If the lock has a reset pin or small button, position a thin tool against it now. This enables you to change the combination. Make sure to keep firm pressure while you prepare the new code so the mechanism stays in reset mode. Next, choose and set a reliable 3-digit code. Pick numbers you can recall but avoid obvious sequences like 1-2-3. While keeping the reset button depressed or the tool in place, turn each dial to your chosen digits slowly and precisely. Slight misalignment can leave the lock ineffective. Once aligned, release the reset mechanism carefully and test the code by opening and closing the lock immediately. Repeat this open-close test 2 more times to ensure the digits engage, and the lock behaves. Finally, secure the bag by latching the zipper into the lock and scrambling the digits to hide the code. Now verify you can reopen it using your chosen combination. If the dials feel loose or the lock slips, reseat the mechanism and repeat the set procedure while applying firm pressure. Sometimes slight misalignment prevents engagement. If the lock jams, try a bit of graphite or silicone lubricant, avoid oil, then retry. If nothing works, consult a locksmith or the manufacturer for repair or replacement guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.